The Pyramids of Giza, standing tall for over 4,500 years, continue to baffle historians and archaeologists. Various theories have been proposed about how these colossal structures were built by ancient Egyptians, especially the three biggest ones, known as Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. In this video, we will explore some of the most famous theories regarding the construction of these architectural marvels. Our journey begins with the traditional Egyptian method purportedly described by ancient historians like Herodotus. According to him, the pyramids were built using a large workforce that dragged limestone blocks on sledges. These sledges were lubricated with water to reduce friction. Modern experiments have supported this theory, as it is plausible with the technology available at the time. Another popular theory is the ramp theory. This suggests that a series of ramps were used to haul the blocks to the construction site and then raise them to higher levels as the pyramid grew. Scholars debate the type of ramps used, with some suggesting a straight ramp, while others propose a zigzagging or circular ramp wrapping around the pyramid. Each type of ramp presents its own set of challenges and advantages when it comes to construction plausibility. Next up is the internal ramp theory, which gained traction due to the meticulously precise nature of the pyramid's construction. Theorized by architect Jean-Pierre Houdin, this idea suggests that an internal spiral ramp was used, which would be much more efficient in maneuvering the gigantic stone blocks as the pyramid rose higher. Internal ramps mean the ancient engineers could have more easily hidden the ramp upon the pyramid's completion. The water shaft theory takes a completely different approach and proposes that the ancient Egyptians might have utilized a system of water-filled shafts and canals to float the massive stones into place. This theory posits that Egypt's mastery of water manipulation for irrigation could have been extended to pyramid construction. Recently, high-tech advancements have enabled even more radical theories to emerge. Some engineers and archaeologists have suggested the use of counterweights or primitive cranes, depicting ancient Egyptians as highly innovative laborers well ahead of their time. On a more controversial note, some fringe theories propose assistance from extraterrestrial beings or lost advanced technology, though these ideas lack substantial evidence and are often dismissed by the scientific community. Lastly, let's consider the workforce. It's believed that tens of thousands of skilled laborers, not slaves, built the pyramids. Recent findings suggest they had organized labor camps and were well-fed and taken care of. This challenges the long-held notion that the pyramids were constructed solely by enslaved people. Each theory has its proponents and detractors, but they all attempt to answer one of history's most fascinating questions. How were the pyramids of Giza, particularly the three largest, constructed with such precision and scale? While the true method remains a mystery, the exploration of these theories offers a glimpse into the ingenuity and determination of ancient civilizations. Thank you for joining us on this detailed journey through the theories of the Giza Pyramids construction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Remember to click on the bell icon to get notified of our next historical exploration. Have a great day.